Greetings Guzzlers. We're going to make a little alcoholic liqueur, if you like. So what I've got here is some pistachio cream that I bought for some other recipes, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to make a pistachio cream liqueur. So excuse me, for that I'm going to use some vodka. Now this is standard strength vodka, 37.5%. You can use like 96% if you want, okay, though you might want to sort of like, by the time you've added the cream, that's going to knock the alcohol down a bit, but you might want to actually put extra cream, ordinary cream in it. By the way, it does say Imperial vodka on here. It's trying to imply it's Russian. I'm not buying Russian, okay. This was made and bottled in Ireland. It's just simply trying to go along the Russian you know, implication that it's proper vodka. Well, it is proper vodka, but what I mean is, you know, Russian vodka. So it's definitely not Russian, before anybody gets upset. So pistachio cream, vodka, a bottle to mix it in, a funnel, and I'll need a spoon to get me pistachio cream out. Now my funnel's quite small at the end, and it's going to be a job to get that in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spoon, because this has been in the fridge as well, so this is quite sort of solid. I'm going to put in here, I want about a third of that bottle with this pistachio cream. So I'm just going to put some in here, and then what we will do is we'll add some vodka and mix that up. So I've mixed quite a bit of that up, and what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to start pouring that into the bottle, and then I might just go back and add some more vodka, mix this up a bit more because it's still a bit solid at the bottom, until we can get that all transferred into the bottle. So all I'm going to do now is I'm now just going to add some more vodka, but remember we need to leave a little bit of room at the top, because we're going to need to be able to mix that all up. So this is where we just put the stopper in, and then carefully give it a good shake until that's all thoroughly mixed in. Give it a little try. So if you like something like Bailey's, you know, Irish cream liqueur, it's very reminiscent of that. It's creamy from the pistachio cream, but equally you've got the pistachio flavour there. You get the kick of the vodka, but I think that will be very nice, either as it is over some ice, or even perhaps, I don't know, mix something else. But I think just as it is. So cheers, pistachio cream liqueur, courtesy of the Guzzling Gourmet.